We are on Virgin Voyages. We are on the Valiant Lady, and we are at Razzle Dazzle tonight. And this is mushroom tartare.
Hello, fellow travelers.
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.
Now, they generally have like vegan stuff and vegetarian stuff, which I am taking part in tonight. But they also have items that are meat related too. So you can have meat things here too. It's on the naughty list, but we all like to be on the naughty list from time to time. And I'm going to be trying bacon too. So I'm going to let you know how it is.
So what is this stuff here?
This is crostini. It's this little crisp bread to put my mushroom tartare on.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh my God. This is wonderful. The layers of flavors are incredible. Beautiful. How is that?
Good.
Dewey got gazpacho, and he says it's very good.
It's a little cold. With naturally.
Okay, the first thing I got is I got the squash ravioli, and it is amazing. It is a vegan dish, and I want to tell you, this has to be house-made pasta. It is al dente, it is perfect, and the flavors, again, all these flavors, it's amazing, and it's all fresh made. You just can't beat it. And I want to show you these peppers that Neil got.
So these are the peppers. I do believe they're fire roasted.
Yes, they're blistered peppers.
Yeah, well, I'm sure that evens out to the same.
Yes.
So fire roasted peppers. There's a bit of a smoky flavor to it for sure. Not as spicy as I thought they would be, but nevertheless good flavor. So for my main course I ordered the pretzel pork schnitzel. So it comes with a little bit of red cabbage here, and the dressing you see is Thousand Island. Let's sample this. That's good.
Is it good? Good. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is like. Okay. It's like you're having bacon for the first time. Oh my God. It is so good. I'm also going to try these. These are some type of cheese tot. It's a tater tot. That is really good. That tastes like a homemade tater tot. And dessert has arrived. And this is their cheesecake. Delicious.
Well, here's my plate. It's empty. I did order dessert, but someone just stole it. And I know just who stole it. Let's show you the culprit. Here, culprit already comes. There he is, there he is. Gary, you're stealing my cookies here.
It looks good.
Yeah, well, yeah. So, my dessert is right here. We have a red velvet cookie, we have a green matcha cookie, and we have a chocolate chip. Red velvet first. That's good.
That looks really interesting.
I'm very curious to this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this, but we're gonna try it regardless.
Where's your milk? Where's your milk, Bill?
I do like it. Last one. Chocolate chip.
Good.
That's probably my favorite.
Usually chocolate is. If you are going to sell on Virgin Voyages, please do not discount Razzle Dazzle. You're going to think, oh, it's vegan, I don't want to go there. Yes, you do. It's really good. Try some new things. And look at this. This is rainbow churros. How can you not love this?
Rainbow churros?
Oh yeah. It's beautiful and tasty all at the same time.
It's amazing. And I'll tell you what, there's going to be so much good food to see on this trip. I cannot wait. And I will see you on the next vlog.